Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we had seen yesterday US market. We had seen US market coming off sharply yesterday, mainly driven by the Nasdaq, and in that also Nvidia has come off sharply by around 8.5% post their result after market day before yesterday. Uh, Apart from that, the president has again indicated that they will be imposing the tariff on Mexico and Canada and further increasing tariff on the US, on the China. Earlier, they had already imposed a tariff of 10% on China, and president has said that they will be imposing additional 10% tariff on China and also indicated his firmness on reciprocal duty on other countries. So this has had an impact on the sentiment, and if you see the Asian market, they are down substantially today morning and has a larger impact on Asian market in today's trade. Even commodities are seeing softness across the board, wherein aluminum down 0.5%, uh, copper down 0.5, iron ore again 0.5, and steel by 1%, though the crude oil is up by around $1. So overall seems more of a negative sentiment, which is likely to play in Indian market as well. So outlook for the today's trade seems negative. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday we saw some more volatile session in market, and Nifty managed to sustain this range, that is 22,550, 540 range. But overall market trading below the important support zone. Do we expect some further pressure to increase below the, if Nifty gap down below the 22,400 range and break that range, then we expect further sell off towards 22,200 and 270 at downside. Upside 22,600 is the first immediate resistance for index. So overall, we expect today gap down open and witness some pressure to below, if Nifty trading below the 22,400. Bank Nifty also have immediate support around 48,540, and if Bank Nifty break this range, then we expect fall towards 48,270 and 48,000 at downside. 49,000 is a major resistance for Bank Nifty. Last two trading session, we saw that Bank Nifty at least managed to sustain the important support zone. But if today's break this support zone, then we expect further sell off in Bank Nifty. The both index trading near the crucial level, and if after gap down and first half an hour trading below the important support zone, then we expect the further pressure to be increasing both index. Stock specific, Bajaj Finserv, Chola Fin yesterday given a good breakout range and trading closing above that important breakout range. Do you expect this momentum to be continued? Bharti Airtel also looks in positive side. Negative side, DLF looks weak. So yesterday we saw some pressure increase in DLF because DLF break the important weekly majorly support zone. GNFC also. Yesterday, we saw some 10% almost downside and break the important monthly support zone, that is 516. And yesterday, break that important support zone and trading below that zone. So we expect some further sell off to be continuing GNFC. Biocon also looks weak at current level. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas. On the derivative front, yesterday was expiry day, so some rollovers have taken shape, and that is why some open interest has reduced a bit. However, this is still very high on the open interest front from the Nifty. Um, Looking at the other indicators, 20 to 500 has a good amount of put built up, indicating some support. However, the highest OI now for puts is at around 22,000 strike, which does suggest some more pain is likely. Probably Nifty might come down further, which can take support around 20 to 200, 22,000 levels and then witness some buying. The VIX continues to decrease. It is now at 13.3 odd levels. So, all in all, this is a positive thing, and expect a bounce back. Looking only at the VIX, we can see, a good bounce once Nifty settles today. It is already around 100 points down on the GIFT Nifty, but once it settles, we can witness some buying support emerging, and probably from there some buying can come in. If 20 to 500 level is not broken, or it is sustained above, you can see further buying up to the 20 to 800 to 23,000 levels going forward. So Nifty is already down for the last 5 months continuous, and generally whenever such thing happens historically, there is some respite that comes in or some bounce that comes in. So at least for the first half of March, looks like some bounce back should come in Nifty. So look out for the same. From the stock specific front, there was nothing much. Almost every stock witnessed some selling pressure yesterday, but the selling is reducing in the metal space, and that is one space which is likely to witness further buying. As things settle in the first half today. So yeah, look out for the same. So that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. On the news update front, Granules India has received a warning letter from US FDA for its Gagillapur facility, where it has inspection has been done in August 2024. The manufacturing and distribution of its existing products from this facility will continue to uh, uh, will continue, and the warning letter may have the impact on the new products approval. So this is negative for the company. On the result front, Sanofi India Limited posted the result for its calendar year. If you look at the quarter performance on the top line front, it has seen the revenue growth of 10%. Overall diabetes portfolio has seen a double-digit growth for Toujeo, that is the insulin product for the diabetes patients, and it has seen successful launch of its new insulin product, that is Soliqua, which is expected to drive further growth in this portfolio. Also, its recent partnership in the central nervous system and the cardiovascular brands are progressing as expected, where they could successfully collaborate with other healthcare providers to expand their reach in order to promote these brands. On the operating level, the margins reported at 23% versus 21% in the same quarter last year. The stock is trading at a PE of around 28 times to trailing EPS. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, the Coal India has levied rupees 300 per ton charges on the coal supplied from Singrauli coalfield. This is related to Singrauli Punar charges to redevelop that particular area, and with this additional revenue can be generated around 3,880 crores. So that connect with positive for Coal India into this trade. Apart from that, Transrail Lighting Limited has secured an order of around 2,750 crores in T&D business. Now the order book has in this year, that is year to date, the order book has increased by 90%. And in the current year, they had secured order worth rupees 7,400 crores. This order company has probably had said earlier also that they got L1 in around 3,000 crore order. So most probably the order is same as the company was talking about the L1 order. KSB Pump has reported quarterly numbers. They got December as an year end, so they can disclose the result till 60 days. And as such, the result has shown improvement in this quarter, wherein revenue has grown by around 20% year on year. And also, EBITDA margin has shown steady performance at 13.5%, whereas PAT has increased to 72 crores versus 55 crore last year. Stock is trading at somewhere at around 42 times TTM earnings, so valuations looks fairly priced. That's all from us. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed gold, silver prices correcting. We should expect further sell of gold. One can initiate a sell around 85,500 with a stop loss of 85,800. On downside, 85, 8500, 85,000 and 84,500 are the crucial level. 84,500 seems to be a crucial level whereby there could be some support area as prices were trading in a range. But if prices are breaching 84,500, then we might see further correction. Maybe 1,000 to 1,500 point correction could be witnessed, so watch out for the same. Silver expected to sell around 94,100 with a stop loss of 94,800. On downside, it is expected 93,000, 92,500. In metals, copper prices are consolidating from 860, 870 levels, but however, one can sell with a stop loss of 870. On downside, if prices are sustaining and closing below 860, then we might see further correction. Zinc prices are consolidating from 266 to 270. However, one can sell at 269 with a stop loss of 271.50. On downside, again, 266 to 65 is the level where one can book profits. Wherein crude oil one can buy around uh, 6080 with a stop loss of 6,000, and on upside 6180, 60 to 20 is the level where one can book profits. Also, one can sell around 60 to 20 with a stop loss of 60 to 70. And in natural gas, we are expecting prices to hold the support at 340. So for pullback, one can buy with a stop loss of 335, and on upside again 355, 360 is the target we are eyeing for. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.